My key will not unlock the door. The key works fine on the driver's side. The vacuum lock on all the doors work. Let's take off the door panel and see what's going on. The special springs are broken, so zip ties are now holding the door linkage together. The zip ties allow the vacuum system to lock and unlock, but you cannot unlock the door with a key. On the bottom end of this rod, I removed a circlip. In the junkyard, I found a 1984 Mercedes from which I removed some door linkage. The rear door 1984 linkage doesn't match the front door 1978 linkage, so I'm going to have to remove the springs from the 84 and put them on the 78. These are the special springs I need to transfer from the 1984 linkage to the 1978 linkage. It's crucial to remember the orientation of these springs. I'm going to conduct an experiment to see if I can re-flare the end of the linkage with some heating and beating. This is the 1984, so I don't have to worry about ruining it. Looks like that was a success. I've flared out the end wider than the inside diameter of the washer that keeps the springs in place. Next, I'll remove the remnants of the broken springs from the 1978 linkage. Here are the good 1984 springs on the 1978 linkage. You know, I think it might be a mistake to apply heat near the end of this linkage because I could damage the springs. I'll secure the washer with JB Weld. I waited 24 hours to allow the JB Weld to fully cure. A circlip fits on the bottom of this linkage. I managed to put the linkage in backward, and now the washer catches on the frame. I rotated the linkage to the correct position, and you can see it has full range of motion now. Alright, the key works now. One more time.